Hi guys, welcome to WizPal, your most favorite channel. We hope that everyone is doing great. Today we wish to talk about the 15 abnormally large animals that actually exist. When animals are being discussed, we tend to imagine small, cute little creatures roaming out and about. Since we are always striving to provide you with information you rarely have come across, we're back with another informative session that will leave you in awe. According to research, it's estimated that there are 8.7 million species that inhabit the Earth, out of which 6.5 million occupy the land. The rest, i.e. 2.2 million species, are to be found in the ocean. It's quite surprising how you can see animals of all sizes ranging from extremely small to extremely large. When we look deeply into nature and its creation, we realize that it is no less than a miracle. Coming back to our topic, it might be interesting to know that the largest animals that actually exist are twice as large as the size of an elephant, giraffe, and even a hippopotamus. Yeah, you heard it right. The animals you're just about to discover are not out of any fiction story, but are incredibly large animals in the real world. Given below is the list of all those animals that you are intrigued to find out about. Let's not make you wait any further and begin with it already. Number 1. Colossal Squid. It was actually calculated that the size of an average colossal squid measures up to 15 meters in length, and it weighs somewhere around about 750 kilograms. Now, didn't that make your jaw drop instantly? To put it in a way that makes the most sense to you, the elephant's size in terms of length is said to be 6.5 meters long. An elephant seems to be a dwarf in comparison to the colossal squid. The colossal squids are spotted in the southern ocean depths, and for them to be on the surface is a rare sight to see. The colossal squids can swallow an entire person in one bite, but they tend to feed on squids and fish in their niche. These colossal squids seem to be exactly like those sea monsters we watch on television, capable of destroying entire ships, don't they? Number 2. African Giant Snail. When we think of the term snails, isn't it very peculiar to associate the term giant with them? Folks, it sounded as strange to us as it probably is to you, but it is what it is. They are named the giant snails for a reason. An average snail sometimes goes unnoticed, and someone can quickly step on it and crush it, while these gigantic African snails is vice versa. This snail's average size is approximately 15.5 centimeters, and their shells are 28 centimeters in length. Keeping their size in view, it wouldn't be odd to say that an average person can easily trip over it and fall directly on their face. Who knew snails were capable of doing that too? As the name already suggests, these snails are located in the west of Africa and Barbados. The capacity of snails to reproduce is insanely quick. They tend to contribute to significant pest problems. They tend to feed on plants, due to which they contaminate the things with their slime. These snails have no natural predators except for human beings, but we highly doubt that an individual would be interested in eating such an animal. In the comment section below, let us know how many of you would want to try it if you were ever given the option. Number 3. Flemish Giant. The Flemish Giants are estimated to be 81 centimeters in length. Their weight is calculated to be 13 kilograms. It wouldn't be wrong to say that they resemble flamingos, but just more significant in size. This giant animal is found to be in Belgium. In Belgium, their meat and fur were served earlier, whereas later on, these massive animals were kept as pets. Their total lifespan is about 8 to 10 years. Moreover, they belong to a domesticated class of animals, hence there is no risk that they could destroy entire crop fields, so that's a plus. Number 4. Goliath Bird Eater. Unlike what the name suggests, these spiders are not bird eaters. They tend to prey on earthworms, snakes, frogs, and lizards, etc. They are friendly to wet and swampy areas and like to reside there. It is an enormous spider globally and is found in the Amazon, rainforest South America region. The average Goliath weighs about 175 grams and elongates up to 13 centimeters in length. Number 5. Giant Golden Crowned Flying Fox. To give you a rough idea about what they look like, they appear to be 2 times larger than the size of a bat. Their wingspan stretches 2 meters across, and they could hug you back. These butts do not use their sense of sound to travel, but instead have remarkable eyesight. Thank God, these creatures do not feed on blood, but instead like to have fruits like figs and leaves. Number 6. Giant Freshwater Stingrays. These fish typically seem to be calm and are found in South Asia. Be alert that you don't have to encounter them. They are peaceful, but when aggravated, possess the capacity to pierce through a human bone. They are twice as big as the size of a motorcycle and weigh about 590 kilograms. Number 7. Japanese Spider Crab. You have probably guessed it right. These crabs are found along the coastal waters of Japan. The crabs are an absolutely terrifying sight to watch. The crabs weigh about 19 kilograms and can grow up to 40.6 centimeters in width. Number 8. Mekong Catfish. The Mekong Catfish are known to be the largest fish in the world. They are mainly found in China but are currently known to be endangered. Their weight is 295 kilograms. Number 9. Hercules the liger. The Hercules liger has made its way to the Guinness World Book of Records for being the largest cat globally and possessing some magical abilities. A liger is an animal that is bred from a male lion and a female tiger. It is found in South Carolina and it weighs about 418 kilograms. Its head alone measures to be 50.8 centimeters long, which means that it alone can bite a man in half with just one chomp. Number 10. Saltwater Crocodile. These crocodiles are located in eastern India, Southeast Asia, and northern Australia. It weighs about 1,179 kilograms and can measure up to 7.7 meters in length. If you happen to see it, run for your life, as they won't pity you and eat you up in just one bite. Gosh, don't they sound as scary as the dinosaurs from Jurassic Park have come to life? Number 11. African bush elephant. If we were to categorize by weight, the African elephant would have to be the largest animal on this earth. However, according to the IUCN, these beasts are listed in the red list of threatened species. African elephants are commonly found in the forests of Africa. Number 12. Sperm whale. Whales are already horrifying mammals, and then imagine one with the most massive tooth. These whales could sting a human and cause significant injuries. Their growth is estimated to be 20 meters in length, and their weight is said to be 60 tons. That is enormously huge. Due to their freakishly colossal size, they are seen hunting for octopus to feed themselves. Number 13. Polar bear. The polar bear is said to be the most powerful land carnivore. As we all are familiar with, the polar bears like to populate in areas with ice and low temperatures. Although they are found on land in their early lives, they progress to live on the sea in the later stages of their existence. They are known to weigh about 700 kilograms. Polar bears are real creatures, but they make me think of humongosaurs. Do you relate to it too? Since their habitats have been seen to be eroding, these animals have also fallen into the list of endangered species. Number 14. Reticulated Python. These non-venomous pythons inhabit South and Southeast Asia in the rainforests, woodlands, and grasslands. Their diet constitutes mammals usually, but in horrifying news, they may eat bears. And you never know, humans too. Number 15. Capybara. The capybara is famous for being the largest rodent of all time. Isn't it unbelievable that a rodent could weigh 80 kilograms? It's known to be the world's most giant rodent, native to South America. What distinguishes the rodent from other rodents is the absence of a tail. It's also seen to have webbed feet, which is another unique feature that usual rodents lack. The world is filled with unique animals, each having its sense of uniqueness. No animal could be specified as the largest animal since everyone has their definitions of the term broad. Some animals are more giant than other animals in terms of width, while others vary in weight and others differ in height. Here at WizPal, we ensure to enrich your general knowledge in all aspects. If you are a fan of our content, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for further updates.